Fishing communities around the coast know well how tempestuous storms can wreck harbours, sea walls, and the very living of the people themselves.
She strolled the braes near by the sea, beyond Rosehearty 2 miles or 3, dressed in black fae heed to heel, carrying her cross while kirk bells did peal. Out to sea she set her gaze, where her good folk have a watery grave, never found nor ever were traced, all alone now, this she faced. A barrel of salt herring for her winter, prepared by her late husband and his sister. The summer months will keep her well, though next winter's storms she may fell. None will know, nor ever will they feel, the hurt or loss on a massive scale. 3 sons and husband all went to sea. Morning had broken, nature had set them free. All alone from morning to night, 3 stars by the moon were in sight. She cast her eyes to them in sorrow, with hopes of joining them tomorrow. Nowhere to mourn, no headstone to see, no sods upturned, no flowers breathing free. No mourners in sight, except only she, only the ocean, and all lost at sea. She strolled the braes near by the sea, beyond Rosehearty 2 miles or 3, dressed in black, fae head to heel, carrying her cross, while kirk bells did peal.
Reflections of the fading light are all that fill the harbour now. The fishing boats no longer lie along the harbour quay, where once 100 boats would land. There's just a harbour filled with sand, but everything will be alright when the boats return again. Cast your nets and make a wish, sell your soul to land blackfish. The foreign boats go sailing by with heavy nets behind, where fishermen once reigned supreme. Their nets are empty like their dreams, but everything will be alright when the boats return again. When the boats return again, it may take a while till then, but everything will be alright when the boats return again. The old grey town is tired now, it only shines in summer rain. The shops are standing boarded up to hide their silent tears. Where people lived and worked and played, there's nothing now to fill their day. But everything will be alright when the boats return again. Now old men wait to end their days in a town already passed away. The young can fight the hopelessness or take the devil's road, where needles fill the veins with stream of death and nightmares banish dreams. But everything will be alright when the boats return again. When the boats return again, it may take a while till then. Everything will be alright when the boats return again. The tide goes out and comes back in. Some you lose and some you win. Somewhere down the road, this will be the good old days. The second hand sweeps round the clock, you never notice till it stops. And everything will be alright when the boats return again. When the boats return again, it may take a while till then. Everything will be alright when the boats return again. When the boats return again, it may take a while till then. Everything will be alright when the boats return again.
What a wonderful, wonderful Savior, who died on the cross for me, freely shedding His precious lifeblood, that the sinner might be He was nailed to the cross for me. He was nailed to the cross for me. On the cross crucified for me, He was nailed to the cross for me.
you can, I'm coxing a live boat here, and it's just come up for 8 years. It will be 8 years on the 7th of April that I come ashore for the fishing. I was 20 odd years fishing before that. With my father and my brother, family boat, and I come ashore. So I come ashore in April 1986. I come ashore with the boat, with the fishing. So that's come up for 8 years now, and we committed to this job. It's not just a like an office job, 8 to 5 job. It's only time and night time. We're in call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 52 weeks a year as such. So it's a big commitment in your life, and it's a thing that you didn't take lightly. I believe there's a higher power above me, above everything else, and I think now look back in my life, I realise and believe, firmly believe, that there's a higher power led me into this, and I believe this is where I should be at this time. I feel I was called into this job. Honestly, I'm convinced of that through my beliefs. I'm a Christian, and I believe that I was called in a degree into this job. We did the fishing industry. We did a lifeboat one night away through Scrapstar, way back in 1966, 67. I can't really mind the date. It was another wild night, and we knocked the boat that time in Scrapstar, and we get asked an awful lot of times, why do you do it? If it's your motive for doing it, if it's your reason for doing it, or why do you do these things? And I said, you ask a lot of why he climbs a mountain and why he's boat all enough to do that. You can't really answer that, and I didn't really care why we do it. I suppose to the degree is somebody has to do it, that's one answer I suppose. But from my own personal view, I feel I'm renewing something, repaying something back to the community that I'm in. I've been fishing for 25 years, I said, and I feel I'm repaying a wee bit of commitment back to men that's doing it for my time. And you have to be committed to this job. It's not just like an office job, 8 to 5 job. It's only time and night time. And we're in call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 52 weeks a year as such. So it's a big commitment in your life, and it's a thing that you didn't take lightly. A lot of the lads here are doing here, they're good lads, and most of them are committed to the job that they're doing. We're all volunteers, there's nobody forcing us to come down and do what we've got to do.
The land that is fairer than day, and by faith we can see it on. For the Father waits over the way to prepare